Good afternoon, Jeff Johnston from jeffjohnston.com and Remax Condos Plus. Super excited to share this gorgeous brand new 3+1 bedroom bungalow listing at 1220 Wildfield Crescent. Love the gorgeous property with the complete walkout basement, ravine views, in-ground pool, and tons of windows to enjoy the fantastic views. Love the tranquil setting here in this stunning backyard with glassed-in balcony, full walkout, gorgeous mature trees to enjoy the year-round privacy, stunning ravine views, in-ground pool, and 2 waterfalls. Let's go inside and have a look.